Exercise, exercise, ebibuzo, ebibuzo. Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to have some simple exercise, ebibuzo. Okay, enjoy the video. Question, correct the sentences. Correct the sentences. Tereza emboozi zino. Tereza emboozi zino. So in this question, we're going to write the sentences correctly. Number 1. The car take will I? The car take will I? And can you guess the answer? Okay, I will take the car is the answer. I will take the car. Okay, let's proceed. In Luganda, this is inze inja kutwala emotoka. Inze because of I, inja kutwala, take is kutwala emotoka. Okay, number 2. We English studying are. We English studying are. And what's the answer? Oi, of course, we are studying English. We are studying English. Okay, and can you guess that in Luganda? Fe tuli kusoma luzungu. Fe because of we. Fe tuli kusoma luzungu. Okay, hope you're passing those 2 questions. Okay, let's proceed. Uganda, I from come. Uganda, I from come. And what's the answer, please? Okay, I come from Uganda. I come from Uganda. Okay, let's proceed. And Luganda is inze, inva, Uganda. Inze because of I, inze, come is inva, from, mu, Uganda. Inze, inva, mu, Uganda. Okay, let's proceed. Right now, talk cannot I. Right now, talk cannot I. And what's the answer, please? Okay, I cannot talk right now. I cannot talk right now. And this in Luganda is inze sisobola kwogera kati. Inze sisobola kwogera kati. Okay, let's proceed. Question 2. Question 2. Use the correct form of the word. Use the correct form of the word. Kozesa ekigambo mu butuufu bwakyo. Kozesa ekigambo mu butuufu bwakyo. So in this question, you are going to use the correct word, as we're going to see. Okay, let's proceed. She dashed potatoes yesterday. She dashed potatoes yesterday. And in brackets, we have ate, eating. Ate, eating. Remember, we looked at past tense. And if you want to learn more about how verbs and sentences change in past tense, refer to playlist 1 about past tense. So in this case, the sentence is she dashed potatoes yesterday. So because of yesterday, it indicates past tense. The action was done previously. So in this case, the verb is she dashed potatoes yesterday. So ate and eating. Remember, the verb here is to eat. Eating is present continuous tense. Ate is past tense. So can you guess the answer here? Okay, you can leave your answers in the comment box. Okay, let's go to question 2. But before, what is this in Luganda? Dash, ye, dash, bumonde, ejo. Ye, dash, bumonde, ejo. And can you guess the answer here? ye, we have yalidde alya. Yalidde alya. Okay, this in Luganda is ye yalidde because it is past. Yalidde bumonde ejo. Okay, let's proceed. Martin will dash tomorrow. Martin will dash tomorrow. And what's the answer here? In brackets, we have coming and come. Of course, Martin will come tomorrow. Okay, and this in Luganda is Martin ajja dash enkya. Martin ajja dash enkya. We have kujja alijja. Kujja alijja. And can you guess the answer here? Of course, Martin ajja kujja enkya. Okay, let's proceed. Peter is dash the television. Peter is dash the television. In brackets, we have see and watching. See and watching. Hope you know the answer here. So Peter is the television. Television, we just watch. So Peter is watching because it is present continuous tense. Peter is watching, implying that he is doing that activity there and then. So Peter is watching the television. Okay, can you guess that in Luganda? Okay, it is Peter ali dash telefayina. Peter ali dash telefayina. So this is Peter ali, in brackets we have alaba kulaba. So Peter ali kulaba telefayina. Peter ali kulaba telefayina. Question 4. You can dash to her. You can dash to her. In brackets, we have talking, talk. Talking, talk. And what's the answer here? Okay, you can talk to her. You can talk to her. Okay, and this in Luganda is gwe osobola dash naye. Gwe osobola dash naye. In brackets, we have okwogera, yogera. Okwogera, yogera. So gwe osobola okwogera naye. That's the correct answer. Gwe osobola okwogera naye. Okay, let's proceed. Explain briefly what you understand with the sentences below in Luganda. Explain briefly what you understand with the sentences below in Luganda. So this question requires you to try to explain that in Luganda. Ekibuuzo kino kikusaba onnyonnyole zino sentence eziri mu Luzungu ky'okiteekeramu mu Luganda. Once again, ekibuuzo ekyo kikwetaagisa okunnyonnyola ky'otegeera mu zino sentence ze mba mpandiise wano mu Luganda. Okay, number 1, it is extend a bit, please. This is a common phrase we normally use here. Extend a bit, please. And what do you understand with that sentence? Of course, in Luganda, you can give your answer in the comment box. Okay, let's proceed. Are you going to the well? Are you going to the well? Please note, well means oluzi in Luganda. And what do you understand with that sentence? Are you going to the well? In Luganda, it is gwe ogenda genda ku luzzi, because you are asking someone since it has a question mark at the end. So are you going to the well? Gwe ogenda genda ku luzzi. Okay, let's proceed. She is shopping now. She is shopping now. What do you understand by that sentence? She is shopping now. Ye, kati. Now is kati. So ye, ali mu shoppinga kati. Ye, ali mu shoppinga kati. Okay, let's proceed. Students must pass the test. Students must pass the test. What do you understand with this sentence? Students must pass the test. Students is abayizi, must balina okuyita ekibuuzo. So abayizi balina okuyita ekibuuzo. So this is authoritative because of using must. Balina. It is a must to pass. Okay, let's proceed. Complete correctly. Complete correctly. Okay, in this question, you are going to complete using the sentences correctly using one of the words given. Okay, number one, we have I spoke to dash. I spoke to dash. In brackets, we have she and her. She and her. Hope you know the answer here. So I spoke to, okay, her is the answer. I spoke to her. Good. This in Luganda is inze nayogedde. Inze nayogedde naye, of course. Okay, you can clap for yourself if you passed this. So inze nayogedde naye, her is naye. Let's proceed. What time does she dash up? What time does she dash up? In brackets, we have wake and walk. Wake and walk. So, what's the answer here? Of course, wake. What time does she wake up? And can you guess this in Luganda before I give it to you? Thank you very much if you passed it. Okay, let's proceed. Sawa meka ye. Sawa meka ye. Zazukuka. Of course, waking up is okuzuka. So, sawa meka ye. Zazukuka. Let's proceed. Where dash he live? Where dash he live? In brackets, we have do and does. Do and does. So the correct answer is where does he live? Where does he live? Okay, let's proceed. Wa dash jabera. Wa, because of he we use wa ye jabera. Wa ye, y and e, ye jabera. He is dash work. He is dash work. In brackets, we have on and at. On and at. So, what's the correct answer here? He is, he is at work. He is at work. Super. Let's proceed. So, this in Luganda is ye dash kumulimu. At, we looked at using at. At is ku or ali. So, ye ali kumulimu. Ye ali kumulimu. Okay. That is it in this video. Hope you've enjoyed the video and you've passed the entire test. Bye-bye. Wait about.